Welcome. In today's video, we are gonna discuss the two lost neighbors of Pakistan. Nowadays, Pakistan has four neighbors: Iran, Afghanistan, China, and India. Iran and Afghanistan are in the west and northwest respectively, while China and India are in northeast and east respectively. But what's the special thing about today's video? The special thing is that we are gonna look into the lost or former neighbors of Pakistan. If you don't know about those countries, then this video is especially for you. So watch the full video and know the names of those countries which were former neighbors of Pakistan. Pakistan had two former neighboring countries, which are not now the neighboring countries of Pakistan. First of those is Burma. Burma is a Muslim majority country and it is towards east of Pakistan. Pakistan and Burma were connected through North River. It is an international river marking the border of southeastern Bangladesh and northwestern Myanmar. Both these countries had been the neighboring countries for about 22 years. It was a neighbor of Pakistan when East Pakistan existed. The two countries established diplomatic relations on August 14, 1947 and have had embassies in each other's capitals since 1998. Burma is now known as Myanmar, and it is a country in Southeast Asia that shares borders with several other countries, including India, Bangladesh, China, Laos, and Thailand. The country's name was changed from Burma to Myanmar in 1989. Second country is Oman. Oman is a Muslim country and it is the only country that shares a direct maritime boundary with Pakistan through the Arabian Sea. It was an overseas possession of Oman from 1783 to 1958. The question here is that how Gwadar became the part of Pakistan. In the year 1783, the Khan of Kalat Mir Nuri Nasir Khan Baloch granted Gwadar to Taimur Sultan, the vanquished leader of Muscat, who was entrusted with its governance on behalf of the Khan. Prime Minister of Pakistan Firoz Khan Noon and his wife Vikarun Nisa Noon entered negotiations with Sultan of Oman, Said bin Taimur in 1958. During this time, the Sultan of Oman agreed to hand Gwadar over to Pakistan for Rs 5.5 billion, which was paid to by the 49th Imam of Nizari Ismaili's Aga Khan IV. The distance from Gwadar to Muscat, Oman is about 3,815 kilometers by sea. The question here is that how Oman was a neighbor of Pakistan. A very simple answer to this question is that Gwadar was formerly under the control of Oman. In 1958, it was handed over to Pakistan by the Sultan of Oman and it became a part of Pakistan. On 8th of September 1958, it was handed over to Pakistan and on 8th of December 1958, Gwadar became the officially part of Pakistan. As we know that Gwadar is connected with Pakistani borders and it was under the control of Oman. So we can say that Oman was a former neighbor of Pakistan, as it was connected with Pakistan through Gwadar. But in 1958, Gwadar officially became the part of Pakistan. Oman had been the neighboring country of Pakistan for almost 10 years. So these two countries were the former neighbors of Pakistan, and these are Muslim countries. If this video proved helpful for you, then don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe the channel for more informative videos.